Some say a robot can't be efficient with high-mix, low-volume order patterns. How could it? Robots are only economically viable in high-repetition settings like auto plants. Changing the program in those robots requires an act of Congress, and it's only slightly less expensive. If you think about it, your machine shop is a high-repetition setting. Just ask your machine operator. They'll tell you. So why does a purpose-built CNC machine-tending robot work with high-mix, low-volume order patterns? We've simplified the programming, making it Windows-based, icon-driven, drag-and-drop, so in less than 5 minutes you've programmed a job. And you can store jobs and bring them up again when you need to. We optimized raw and finished parts management so you can run lights out with no issues. And the robot will cost you less than your current machine operator pay scale. Why not redeploy that machine operator into a new role into your company? Ready to explore how we can make your life easier? Call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.